Alright, let's say I lost everything tomorrow. If I had to start my Amazon KDP business from absolute scratch with no money, no followers, and no fancy tools in 2026, this is the exact simplified playbook that I would use. I want you to forget about all the gurus promising you six figures overnight. The single hardest part of KDP isn't the keyword research, it's not the running of ads, and it's definitely not cover design. It's publishing that very first book. It's the paralysis and the information overload that stops 99% of people before they even begin. So, in this video, I'm going to give you the no fluff 5-step guide to getting that first book live. This is going to show you how to break through that wall, build real momentum, and get yourself started. So, I've been in the KDP game for a while now, around about 3 years, in fact, and it's absolutely flown by. So, I've absolutely seen what works, and also, of course, what's a complete waste of time. But the question I get asked more than any other is from people who are completely new. They're standing at the bottom of the mountain, feeling completely overwhelmed, and they see all these complex strategies about scaling to seven figures and they freeze. So, what I've done is I've put myself in their shoes and thought, what if I was starting over right now? What would I actually do? And just as importantly, what would I actually choose to ignore? And this video is that answer. It's the blueprint I'd follow to get from 0 to 1. So before we get into the steps, we need a total mindset shift. For the next week, your goal is not to make $1,000. It's not to create a literary masterpiece. Your one and only goal is to publish one single, perhaps imperfect, book. That's it. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. They'll spend months watching videos on advanced ad strategies before they've even created their Amazon KDP account. And that's like trying to manage a restaurant chain before you've learned how to fry an egg. So on KDP, confidence doesn't come from watching more videos. It comes from hitting that published button. So, once your first book is live, you have conquered the biggest hurdle. Now, if you are one of these people that have watched thousands of KDP videos but haven't yet published, just give this video a little thumbs up so that I know that I'm talking to the right people. Your second book will be, I promise, twice as easy, and your 10th will feel like second nature. So, everything in this video is just about getting that first win. So we're going to take the path of least resistance. So for total beginners, that means start with a low content book. This is things like journals, logbooks, puzzle books, designed to be filled in by the user. You can even go more simple and just go for a lined notebook or a sketchpad. Why? Because it completely removes the biggest obstacle, writing a massive manuscript. You learn the KDP system, uploading covers, keywords without getting stuck for months in the writing. I don't want you to try and be clever here. This isn't about trying to launch your guided journal for aspiring Martian poets. Be boring, be obvious, go to Amazon, type in something simple like a daily gratitude journal, a fitness logbook. Are there lots of books? Do they have loads of reviews? Good. Okay, great. That means people are actually buying these books. For beginners, I always think that puzzle books are fantastic, especially word searches. They're so easy to create, they sell consistently. So let's just pick one right now. How about word search puzzles for seniors? You've got a clear audience, you've got an evergreen topic. Look at the titles, look at the covers and the bestsellers rank. Don't obsess, just confirm demand. So this next part, it really scares people, but it's actually the easiest. You do not need to be a designer. For word search books, you can use free tools like Canva or puzzle generators. Your mission is to create a clean 100-page PDF. That's it. Now, so this is your mission if you choose to accept it. Here are the rules that you must follow. It must be a PDF. a minimum of 24 pages, but we're actually aiming for around 100. I want you to choose your size early. What's going to work best? A 6 by 9 or an 8.5 or 11? They tend to work the best. For a senior, personally, I would choose the larger option. I want you to ask yourself, is it clean? Is it easy to read? There should be no obvious mistakes. Great. Let's export that and we're going to move on. Perfection is the enemy of done. Now, if you would like to see me do a full tutorial on how to create a puzzle book, please just write puzzle book down in the comments and I will be sure to create a tutorial for you very, very soon. Now, what you always need to remember is that your cover is your number one marketing tool, but it doesn't need to be fancy. I want you to use Canva. Use KDP's free cover template. And I'm going to link all of these down in the description. And again, you've got 3 simple rules to follow. We're going to go big, bold, readable title, something along the lines of large print word search for seniors. It should be readable, as tiny as a thumbnail. Think about that scrolling through on Amazon, how many books that you're actually competing with. I want relevant imagery, one clean image or a simple graphic. I don't want any clutter. We want a very, very simple back cover. One benefit driven line, like 100 theme puzzles to keep your mind sharp. That's it. Clarity beats creativity. So then, of course, we need to upload. So I want you to go to kdp.amazon.com and create yourself a free account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're going to click create, hit paperback, and you're going to see 3 pages: details, title, subtitle, author name, description with a hook, and bullet point the benefits. You've got 7 key words, and here I want you to think like a buyer. You've got 2 relevant categories: 2026 AI disclosure rules. So if you've used AI for any text, images, puzzles, you need to disclose it. This is required. Page 2, you're going to do your content. You're going to upload your interior and your cover here. You're going to use your previewer to check for any mistakes. Page 3, we're going to look at the pricing and the royalties. For a 100-page puzzle book, we want to be pricing between $7 and $10. Books priced below $9.98 earn 50% of royalties. Prices above that will earn 60%. So when you're ready, I want you to choose that price and hit publish. Now, once published, first thing you can do is celebrate. You're officially a publisher. I don't want you to run any ads yet. No data means you're just wasting money. I want you to start the next book immediately. Use templates, change the theme. Momentum actually matters. Now, if you want this entire beginner process written out step by step without overthinking all this information overload, I've put it all into my Publish Your First Amazon KDP ebook. It's designed for complete beginners who just want a clear place to start. You'll find a link down in the description and in the pinned comments. So I know what you're thinking. What if no one buys it? And here's the brutal truth. Actually, for your first book, it really doesn't matter. The profit isn't money, it's experience. But now you understand the entire KDP process. That knowledge is worth far more than a few dollars in royalties. So this isn't about one lucky bestseller. This is about a consistency game. One imperfect book a week beats one perfect book for a year. Your first book teaches you about the process. Your first 10 is going to bring you confidence. Now imagine how you're going to feel after your first 100. And that's where things get interesting. You now have the blueprint, you have the steps, and you have the mindset. The only thing left is the action. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'm going to see you in the next one. See you. Bye.